Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Fortnite. While launching the game, you got an error, signature error detected when reading container header. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, right click on start menu and choose option run. You need to type here clean mgr and then hit the enter key. Now from a drop down list, choose drive C and hit the OK option. Now all the temporary files will be available right over here. You need to check mark each and every option available right over here, and after doing so, click on the option OK. It will take some time to complete cleaning DirectX cache and temporary files from your system, and once it is completed, go ahead, restart your PC and relaunch the game to fix out this particular issue. If this failed to work out, in next step, you need to open the directory of the Fortnite. For example, in my system, the game is installed in F drive, Epic Games, and here is Fortnite folder. You need to open this folder, then open Fortnite game, and then open content folder. And over here you will find a folder with the name PAKS. Open this folder and click on the option sort option and select the option type. Right over here, after selecting the type, all the .pak extension files will be available right in front of you at the top. So you need to select all the pak files right in this folder. Like you can see, these are the pak files in this particular folder. After selecting the files, you can see the file size is around 600 MB. So you need to right click on it and choose the option delete. Once the files are deleted, close the folder. After that, you need to launch the Epic Games launcher, go to library, and you need to verify the integrity of the game files. And to do so, click on three dot icon next to your game and you will find the option of manage as it is showing right over here. After clicking on the manage, a window will open, and next to verify file, simply click on the verify. It will take some time, re-download all the corrupted files, and once all the files are downloaded, restart your system and then relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of signature error detected while launching the Fortnite game. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.